Hi, I'm Lucy Dunn and this is my grown-ups guide to makeup. A guide for those who've outgrown their old makeup routine and need some honest advice on what works and what doesn't. This week I'm talking you through my guide to lips. So when you get older, you get the feathered sort of lines around your lips. People say that they're smoker's lips, but I don't think that's true. It's one of those things with getting old and you just have to live with them. But there are things you can do. I mean, you can do things like fillers, which I just wouldn't ever touch my lips at all with fillers at all, personally. And you can do this thing I've seen on YouTube, and it's called microneedling, and people do this like once or twice a month. Looks painful to me, I wouldn't do that. So anyway, one thing that will make your lips look better is looking after them. There's lots of stuff out there and lots of really good stuff. This is really nice, Hourglass, and you just put it on your lips and it just nourishes them and preps them for you to put your lipstick on. This one again is another, it's got lots of sort of nourishing ingredients which will just, you know, again, prep and prime your lips. Filorga. And then this is my favourite, which is CYO, and it's Overnight Lip Primer. Basically it's just putting it on your lips overnight, something you can just do with your night cream. I think it's as important to nourish your lips as it is to nourish your skin, and I wouldn't go without a night cream, and I'm now getting in the habit of not going without a lip cream as well. This is Lip Primer by Trish McEvoy. In the mornings, if I've got time, then I'll put a lip primer on before I put any kind of lip colour. It's just something that you put on and it will make your lip colour stay. And then come to the colour. So world's your oyster when it comes to colour, and there are some brilliant glosses with a lot more colour in, sort of between lipstick and a gloss nowadays, but I really love this by Trish McEvoy as well, which is just a lovely gloss, which has got a little hint of sparkliness to it. You lose your plumpness in your lips as you get older. Gloss will plump your lips up. If I'm going for a deeper colour, a lipstick, and that's a whole nother world, there are people who suggest or swear by lip liner. I can't go there with lip liner. It's a bit scary. If you go beyond the lip, you start looking a bit weird. So this stuff is brilliant. It's invisible lip liner. This stuff will stop your lipstick from bleeding, and obviously you don't have to be an absolute pro at putting it on because it's invisible. So it's genius. I wish that had been invented when I was younger. But then I didn't have feathered lips when I was younger, so hey. But yeah, I think that's really worth an investment if you want to go bright red lip, which, you know, why not? So you don't need to have all of these, honestly, you really don't. You don't need to tie yourself into knots saying, I need this, I need that, I need that. You don't. You can skip corners. There's no rules with any of this, honestly. It's just what you want and what you feel and what you'd like to put on your lips. So there we are. So all you need to remember is to look after your lips. A lip primer will help your lipstick stay on. A lovely reflective gloss will make your lips appear plumper if you want them to. And then a invisible lip liner will stop your lipstick from feathering and bleeding if you want a darker colour. And that's it. That's a wrap. Thank you for joining me. See you next time. Bye. Oh dear, I'm sorry. Right, yeah. I'm going to be grown up because this is a grown-up's guide. There's hyaluronic. Hyaluronic?